Hi friends, it's Miss Kelly, and this is
Griffin.
We want to say hi friends.
Hi, friends.
Guess where we're going today? To the barnyard. We need to see some animals. Who are we going to see? The pig says oink. We're going to see the cow says moo. We're going to see the sheep says ba. And we're going to see the chicken. He says walk, walk. And when we go to the barnyard, what we have to do is open the door. Open. And who comes out? The pig. Blue pig out. And then we shut. Ready, Griff? We open up. Uh-oh, sheep. Should we take them out? Yellow sheep out. And we shut the door. Now who's next? It's the chicken. Chicken, brawk, brawk. Red chicken. And we shut. Last one, are you ready? Who's it going to be? Do you think it's going to be the sheep? Ta-da! No! It's the cow. And he says moo. Good job. The barn is empty. And our animals need to go night-night. Can we put them back in the barn? Night-night, pig. Night-night, chicken. Night-night, cow. And night-night, sheep. The barnyard is saying goodnight. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, we love you, friends. And we love you all.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.